Good afternoon. You know, don't you kind of hate that I just drove into the wave and it was my turn to go and they opened the gate to somebody else. It's kind of weird. Anyways, okay, they opened the gate now. I'm gonna get in even if the gate stays up like that. This wasn't the reason for me making this video to complain. No, it was not that. Just want to let you know that today is Monday, April the 20th. Just in case you all didn't know, today's Monday, April the 20th. Anyways, I had ordered a new camera with a GoPro. Although everybody else has it, and there's been tons of videos made from it already. I haven't been able to open it up myself yet. It just arrived to the United States Postal Service, which is pretty good. I think I better shut off the map because it's telling me that I gotta go to work, but I'm at the car wash right now, at the Wonder Car Wash. I'm not advertising. Anyways, let me show you what I bought. This is not an unpacking or a review. I just want to show off my new camera, just like everybody else.
Take the next right onto West Trenton Road.
Hold on. This shut this lady up. Oh, I can't shut her up. Okay. I'm just showing you what I got. This is not a review. It's not an unpacking. It's pretty much impossible because I'm on the line of the drive-through. There's no way I'm going to be able to do a review like this. Anyways, I was really interrupted. Finally came the GoPro. Now the GoPro came kind of like a combo series. It's the GoPro box, and also came with a charger and 2 batteries and a 64 gigabyte SD card. So I can't really assemble it right now because I'm inside the car wash, as you can see. But I'm gonna put everything back, and I'm gonna put everything back. Shit, did I put everything back? No. Yeah, I put everything back already, so yeah, here it is. So I'm gonna, as soon as I get to work, I'm gonna open it up and put the firmware updates and all that stuff, and give a quick video on it to see how it looks like.